Good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Amal, had your lunch? Amal Kesaji, did you have your lunch?
No, ma'am.
Not yet. Where is Ashish? Not yet joined. Okay. Take a piece of paper or a book. I want you to write as many things as possible which you are proud of yourself. Okay? Not about others, about yourself. It might be anything silly, it might be anything funny, it might be damn serious, no problem. But whatever you're proud of doing or whatever you're proud of being, just write down those points as bullet points. Even if you're proud of the fact that you can make a tea or a coffee, you can write that. No problem. That's what I told you. Even if it is so silly, no problem. Write it. Amal, are you writing? Both of you? Okay. Why are you laughing? Meanwhile, how many of you are thinking why this activity is being done? While you're writing, how many of you are thinking that why this activity is being done? Okay. Right, continue. What were we studying in the previous class?
About depression.
And what did we end with?
Bipolar
Bipolar and
related
what,
disorders.
what did we end with?
Suicide.
Okay. So you remember. Okay, fine. Continue. Too much to think? When you're out of points, please let me know. Tina completed or still thinking?
Ma'am.
Thinking. Okay.
Ma'am, how many
Sana,
points needed?
as many as you can find out. Ashish and Sana, please switch on your video. Ashish, we are doing one activity. Please take a book if you don't have it. You have to write the things that you are proud of yourself, not others. Like, I'm proud of this particular thing. Okay? You have to write as many as it comes to your mind. From silly small things to the huge achievements. Anything. You can write anything. Anything and everything. Nothing is there in the textbook. No need to copy. Okay. Write it from your head. If you want, you can include some events which you're really proud of being a part of. Anything. It can be a situation, it can be about a person, it can be about your relationships, it can be about your achievements, it can be about your characteristics, your behavior, your personality, your physical features, then anything that you own, then anything. The only thing is that you should be happy and proud that you have it or you're a part of it. Finished? Anybody? Okay, as you think about the positives, on one side, write about your own negatives. Okay, on the other side or on a different paper, you can write according to your wish. Whatever you think is negative in you, which you always wanted to change. Not what others think of you, what you think of yourself. Whatever you think is negative in you, whatever you would like to change, or whatever you wished was changed. Ashish finished. Still thinking. If you have completed, please let me know. One more minute. Meghna finished? Okay. Another random question. How many of you trust me? Don't raise your hand because others are raising. Be honest, okay? No problem. Well, it's like, okay, fine, fine. Finished? Finished? Almost? Elvina, you're out of papers? You want more paper? Okay, who wants to start sharing? Only the positives. Negatives, let it be there. Who wants to share first? Amal, would you like to start? We see you once in a blue moon. Can you start?
Ma'am, I didn't get only some.
Okay, you're still thinking.
Yes, ma'am.
Think. Okay. Others who would like to start? Don't waste 10 minutes for that. Aishwarya.
First, I wrote dance because I'm trying to improve it day by day. I'm pretty confident in it. Then
Okay.
singing skills, maybe. At least I'm not the worst in it.
What?
Singing.
Singing, okay.
Then I'm very friendly. Then I think I have a strong personality. Yeah, I'm sure of that. Then I can survive alone.
You can survive alone. Okay.
Then I knows to cook. That doesn't mean that I knows to cook each and everything,
No
but at least
problem. No problem.
little
We
things
we
to
are we are
survive.
reading out whatever we are proud of doing. I told you, no, even if it is so silly, even if you manage to wake up in the morning and attend the class, that is also important. That is something that you should be proud of. Isn't it? Even I am proud of. I am not at all a person who wakes up early in the morning. I mean, when I was at school, I used to, but when I changed the role, I am too lazy to wake up in the. I mean, early in the morning. But I'm really proud that I managed to reach at the correct time for the everything here. Okay, then.
Then I have two grandparents in my home, so I take good care of them. Since mom is at work, dad's also at work, so I have to take it. Then I'm sociable. Like I'll be pretty friendly when whoever I meet.
Hmm.
Then I think I'm good at speaking.
Okay.
Especially I love to speak. That's another thing. Then I'm self-motivated and also I am good at giving motivation.
Okay.
Then if like I'm a very bad enemy, like if I get hatred towards someone, then that person is finished.
Okay.
Then
And you're proud of that?
Yeah, it's better to be.
Okay.
I consider it as a power.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Then especially to those people, I'll be very savage.
Hmm.
Then I can easily understand others' feeling. Like that always
You're
goes in my.
empathetic.
Then even if let it be anything, feelings or any new portion that's been taught in the class, I think I can grasp it easily. Then I'm strong at making decisions. Then I think twice. Whatever it is, I think twice of it, and then I move on.
That means you're
Then
not impulsive. It's a psychological term, impulsivity. Impulsive people don't think twice. They don't even think once. They take decisions and they do things really fast without even thinking. So that means you're less impulsive. Okay.
then I'll be very proud if I win an argument, especially if it's with my parents. Then
Okay.
when I get prizes in sports and all those cultural festivals and all the stuff, then I think I have good patience because I'm surviving with my sister, right? So I have good patience. Then uh, I think I'm quite funny, but you can only understand that if you're so close to me.
Yes.
And I knows the positive and negatives of a person, like how to come and how to make that person disturb. So I can easily calm down a fight in my home, and I can easily make a fight in my home. then, then I'm proud that I love myself because not everyone loves their self. They think they love their self, but that's not the thing. Actually, they don't. Then I know myself more than anyone because I think about myself. Sometimes I even overthink. Then I can easily adapt to whatever I do. Like, if I'm doing an elocution, then I'll be thinking about those words, how to improve my words, and I'll be in that way. And when I'm participating in some sort of sports or anything, then I'll be concentrated on that. Dancing means that, so I can easily adapt to whatever I do.
Okay.
Then I think I kind of have a kind of tomboy character because, like, in my home, even if simple injuries happen, they will be like, oh my god, oh my god. Then I'll be like, okay, just leave it. It's just a small thing. And even like, I don't like wearing nail polish and stuff, all those girly things. Not so interested in that. Then I consider myself multi-talented. And the moment when I was pretty proud was lately when Chairman Sir recognized me because since LKG onwards I've been studying under school. So I was really surprised when he recognized me, even when I was wearing a mask.
Okay.
I was very proud about that. That's
Okay.
it.
That's all. Okay. Then who's next? Good. Very good. Then don't waste time. I already told you. You people. Reina. Please be louder. Okay. Start. One insect is pestering me. Okay.
I'm proud of myself and what I am and what I was. And
So no
and
regrets about the past. No worries about the present. Okay. Continue. Continue.
I'm proud that I improved my studies, that I won like these days, like when I was in
You have
10th.
improved pretty much. Yes. Seriously.
Thank you, ma'am.
Don't think that I've gone mad. One insect is flying around me. That's why. Okay, then.
That I'm proud that I got mature enough to handle things wisely.
Hmm.
And I'm proud that I participated on all things like sing, dance, and all, but I didn't get prize. I participated. That's the thing.
Yes, that's the point.
That's all.
Hmm.
That's all.
Then, that's all.
Finish.
You could finally this much. Okay. If you get any, please add to these points. Okay. Not today, in the coming days. Keep this list with you. Okay. Anybody else? Not anybody else. Everyone has to. Who's next? This is a habit, no? If anybody else this question, that's why it just automatically comes out of my mind. Yes, who's next? Elvina.
I am proud of myself
Hmm.
in helping others and encouraging others.
Hmm.
And I am a little bit proud that I had moved from procrastination
Only little bit proud.
because that was too much. When I was
It's only little. Okay, fine.
then I like dancing and I'm proud of myself when I'm singing too loud. My parents would think that I am a donkey or donkey voice, but I know that I am myself a Raina Grant, and by making up myself, and I love fighting with my sister because it keeps me more brave, and I like making small recipes, and I like scaring other people.
Staring at other people. Simply staring at other people.
Not
Is that what you
staring,
meant? Then
scaring.
scaring. Okay, scaring. I thought you like simply staring at other people. Okay, my mistake. Then
And by learning and reading, and I love motivating myself.
Hmm.
And I used to make I used to talk to the animals.
You're an animal
And
lover?
yes,
Are
and
you scared
I
of cockroach?
yes,
Okay, then.
and I love making up the dogs or my grandparents,
Huh? Making?
making up my grandmother.
You do makeup for them.
Yes, and I found myself like I'm a makeup stylist,
Okay, fine.
and I entertain myself. If I am very sad or if I am very moody, I change that into, and I love to hear songs or rather than I do dancing or those. And I
Show
love,
me the page. Show me the page that you have written. Wow. Okay.
and I love taking photographs,
Hmm.
and I love designing, and I love giving new ideas to the people who have been found difficult for taking their decisions. And I love being irritating my father and got beaten from my father.
And you're proud of getting beaten up.
Yes.
Then.
Then I love doing exercise. From that, I thought that I will become one day I will become like this actor and making my body fit and strong.
And are you still continuing?
Yes.
Okay. Then.
I love walking and sitting alone and laughing alone. Some people find that my mother used to find that I am crazy, but I know that I love laughing alone. And
You just tell them that you love doing this and then you do. Now if at all you come to class and we see you sitting and laughing alone, we won't mind because we know that you love it, isn't it, guys? Yes. Since your mom and dad does not know this, they'll think that you have gone crazy. Of course. Okay, then.
And I love being funny, and I'm talkative. Many people thought that I won't talk, but when I start talking, it won't stop.
Hmm.
Then I love making Maggie noodles
Maggie noodles. Okay.
because it's easy to make.
Then
Then I love jumping
jumping.
in
Jumping
my
around.
house. uh, in in my house, I used to always running. I don't like normally walking. So my parents always ask me, why can't you walk in normal ways? I always jump and run, and getting scolded from my parents. All those
Reminds
things.
me of the film Chadikyata Chandu. That person asked, no, you guys want variety and should I walk like this? He shows an action, right? Okay, then.
And I love being always annoying my mother.
That's it. Done.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Then, Sneha.
Okay, like
My cheeks are
I'm proud
pale.
of being I'm proud of being a daughter to my parents, and I feel so grateful for them to have them. Then I can manage to cook, but I don't like cooking.
Hmm.
Then I'm proud that I can clean prawn,
Clean
red fish.
props.
Yeah, yeah, I can
Yes.
do that. Then I
That's a
can ride
skill.
a
You need a skill for that.
yeah. Then I can ride a scooty. Then I'm proud that I have completed 10th standard because from childhood, the start you go to school, they start daunting you 10th grade works. And then I feel like, oh, I completed it. It's a proud thing for me. Then I'm proud of being a friend to my best friend. Then doing silly stuffs and that makes me cheerful. Then being independent and straightforward and can raise my voice for the injustice that had happened to me and I will raise the voice. Then mm, then like being a mom like figure to my ex-pets. I like animals and I'm kind to them. Then I'm supportive to my family that I'm proud. Then I started finding beauty in everything and I'm proud of that. And yeah, that's all.
Okay. Very good. Then, Amal Raj is still writing or just simply scribbling there? Finished writing? Okay. Can you share with us? Please don't say no. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm proud that I never try to make any enemies. I like to be calm and silent always. I'm proud of my hairstyles. I'm proud that I know to make tea, coffee.
You know to make tea, coffee. When we come to
Coffee.
your house, make us one.
Mm.
I'll drink coffee. I don't like tea.
I always try to identify the danger around me.
Identify danger around you. Can you sense it? Yes.
Ma'am, I just viewing something. I can something like
Something is fishy.
the.
Okay.
That.
That's all.
Finished.
Finished. Oh, okay, fine. Sana. I can't hear you. Can you hear anyone? Just try checking your audio device.
I'm proud to be. I'm proud that I can paint very well.
Hmm.
Then I'm proud that I
Would be
can
the first.
help others.
Hmm.
Then I'm proud to be empathetic.
Hmm.
Then proud to have good patience.
Hmm.
Then proud of giving advice to others.
Hmm.
Then I'm proud of appreciating others of their work.
Yes. Yes. So many
Uh,
people fail to do that. We
mm,
find mistakes of others very easily and we tell them, but we forget to appreciate others. It's a very good habit. Okay, then.
Proud of being independent.
Hmm.
And proud of being creative.
Hmm.
Then proud of reading books and novels.
Yes.
Then proud of motivating others.
Hmm.
Then proud of being calm.
Hmm.
That's all.
That's all. Okay, good. Now, who's left? Ashish.
I'm proud to be
Hmm.
I'm proud
Hmm. Proud to be? What happened? Got stuck. Grishma, are you there? No. Meghna? Ah,
hello
wait. He came. Yes. Ashish. Hello.
hello
Hello. Nice to meet you.
I'm
Hmm.
proud to be son of my father and my mother.
Hmm.
I am good at caring and friendship.
Hmm.
I am good at riding bikes and traveling and so on. I am good at my cleaning my room.
Hmm.
That's all.
That's all. You guys are not thinking
That's
deep.
all.
Okay, whatever you have found, very good, well and good. But still think deep, no? Come to the roots. Yes, Meghna.
I'm proud of drawing. Like I didn't get any classes. I
But still you
myself,
managed to draw.
yes, and cooking
Hmm.
and dancing also.
Hmm.
And some I understand others,
Hmm.
and I'm proud of. I have a really supportive family,
Hmm.
and I will be silly around my cousins, those who are very close to me.
Hmm.
And I'm proud of organizing, cleaning, and I started to regain my confidence. And I can take a decision myself, but I still consider others' opinion also and take advice from my elders.
Hmm.
And I have so close friends who understands me,
Hmm.
and I helpful, friendly.
Hmm.
And when somebody asks me something to do, I try my best to do that.
Okay.
And I like listening to music.
Hmm.
Then I uh, I have old clothes I reuse or combine with other clothes and create to make a new one.
Hmm.
And sometimes I design myself, means from my mom's old sarees and all. I create my own dresses.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's all.
That's all. Okay, good. Now, who's left? Grishma, can you speak? She has been having network issue. Grishma,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, did you write?
I only started writing a few minutes ago.
Okay, you can continue. Amal,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on the video. Tell.
Ma'am, I'm proud of myself.
Hmm.
For simple.
Huh?
For simply,
Simply for no reason you are proud of yourself. Okay, then
I'm proud that I can play football.
yes.
I like to take photos.
Hmm.
I'll play mobile games very well.
Don't laugh. That's good.
I like to make noodles.
Maggie or EP.
Yes. I think.
Okay, then
I like my predictions.
predictions
I'm
like
proud. Any predictions like
like
football things.
okay. Game. Who wins the match and all.
Yes.
Then
I'm proud to be a Messi fan.
Messi fan.
Only that.
Only that much. So yes. Grishma, whatever little you have written, speak. The rest of the list you can make up from your mind.
I am proud of how I interact with others. Um, I feel like I can be empathetic and understanding when someone's talking about their feelings, and then I'm proud of being honest. Even if I don't like it, I try to be honest. Then I'm able to cope with stressful situations, and then I can calm down my colleagues who are stressed in the same situation. Like in situations where people are like normally stressed, I can keep my calm. Then I'm proud of my reading and writing skills. Then I feel like I know when to talk politely and when to be assertive. Then I can control my emotions, and I have very strong opinions. And if I feel like if I feel like they are not, if someone's doing something that's not fair, then I will speak up to that, even if they are older than me. But I know how to speak without being rude. Then I can enjoy my own company. Then I'm very good at adapting to different environments. I can sleep wherever, whenever I can.
That
I
is a
don't have,
blessing.
yeah, my whole family, they can't, even if they're in their own bed, even if it's night, they can't sleep. I can sleep wherever. And I can basic cooking skills, and I can survive. Then I try not to be judgmental towards others before hearing the whole story or all the sides, and I tell people if they are being judgmental, and I tell them to think of the other person, or to not to spread news when they don't know the full situation.
Yeah.
Then I'm not afraid to try new things.
That's it. Okay. So being a teacher, I have so many things to be proud of my students also, isn't it? See, now we got to know more about each other. Otherwise, being in the class, you would have observed the behaviors. Then, based on certain situations, we would have judged each other. No. Now we know whatever things we are good at, we are proud of, and yeah, things like that. And negatives, let it be there. I want to ask you something. I told you to write the positives as well as a set of negatives. I told it late to write the negatives. How many of you found it easy to write the negatives than the positives? Nobody. Mehak is missing, no? Her part we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Yes. Anybody? I mean, nobody? No. All okay. Okay. Now come back to our topic. We just have 5 minutes, but There's only small topic that we are planning to complete, the suicides portion. Okay, what if a client comes to you and you understand that this person has a suicide tendency? What will you do? Will you just talk to them and send them home?
Reason
And
for that.
reason for that? No, I'm asking after the counseling session and all, will you just send them home
Make
and
them
tell
understand this is not the solution for your problem.
Okay. They are pretending. Suppose if I am the patient, I'm pretending that I've understood that this is not the solution. This is not something that I should do. I know that suicide is not the right method. I mean the right option for me. But I'm going home. I have a suicide tendency and I attempt suicide. I'm pretending that I understood that whatever you said. So the important thing to note is that if a patient or if a client comes to you, or if anybody comes to you, let it be some of your friends or family members, whoever it be, please make sure that you um, convey this message, convey this fact that this person is having a suicide tendencies to the authorities. Suppose if you are working in an institution, you have to convey that to the head. Or we have helpline numbers also for child healthcare, for women healthcare, for other people, the usual healthcare units. You can tell them, or at least the family members. You have to warn them that this person is having such a tendency. Okay, you should not hide it because it's unethical. If you are a professional, mental health professional, then hiding the fact that your client has this problem is unethical according to our profession. All right. So see that paragraph. You know what social stigma is, right? Stigma, stigma related to something. We discussed that in the introduction portion. The stigma surrounding suicide continues despite recent advances in research in this field. Due to this, many people who are contemplating or even attempting suicide do not seek help, thus preventing timely help from reaching them. Many of the people find it difficult to convey the fact that they are having such a problem because of the social stigma that exists. People fear that others will criticize them for whatever situation they are in now. Okay. Then, therefore, improving identification, referral, and management of behavior are crucial for preventing suicide. Therefore, we need to Therefore, we need to identify vulnerability, comprehend the circumstances leading to such behavior, and accordingly plan interventions. We need to plan whatever method is to be applied to this particular client, depending on the situation, depending on the person's behavior, depending on the person's case history. Okay. Then suicides are preventable. This is a need. There is a need for comprehensive multi-sectoral approach where the government, media, and civil society all play important role as stakeholders. Some measures suggested by WHO include. Grishma, can you quickly read those points?
Some measures suggested by WHO include limiting access to the means of suicide, reporting of suicide by media in a responsible way, bringing in alcohol-related policies, early identification, treatment, and care of people at risk, training health workers in assessing and managing for suicide, care for people who attempted suicide, and providing community support.
Providing community support means? All other points are self-descriptive. Care for people who attempted suicide and providing community support. How will you provide community support? This person has to, after recovering from the situation, this person has to come and live in the community, isn't it? So you can, like family therapy is there, no, which involves the family members also in the main client's therapy. So we can warn them, we can educate them. We call it psychoeducation. We can psychoeducate them about the conditions, about the after effects, about the relapse. The suicide tendency might come again. That has to be prevented, isn't it? So other people has to know, the people in the community has to know what the real problem is, how can it be handled, how can it be prevented, all those things. So that should be taken care of. Then identifying students in distress. That is very helpful. Any unexpected or striking change affecting the adolescent's performance, attendance, or behavior should be taken seriously, such as lack of interest in common activities. Then declining grades. Your grades go too low from top to bottom. Then decreasing effort. You see less effort from the side of the student. Then misbehavior in the classroom. Mysterious or repeated absence. What do you call it? Repeated absence?
Absenteeism.
Absenteeism, yes. Then smoking or drinking or drug misuse. That is also a problem, which increases the risk, or which that is a sign through which we can identify problems in a student, distress in a student. Then strengthening students' self-esteem. That is the next one. That you just read up, we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, strengthening students' self-esteem. And the activity which we did little while before, that was a part of this thing. Okay. Yes, we'll see you in next class then. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please contact. Okay, thank you.